like it is tried and tested by me. कहीं ना कहीं तो इसको इस्तेमाल कर ही लूंगी यार. I feel I waste so much money on cute stuff. Hello cute little roses, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a Mr. DIY haul video and all the products are under 500 rupees. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first product which I bought is this flower vase. So मैं currently Pinterest पे बहुत ज़्यादा white flower pots and this cute little tulips के videos देख रही थी and I also really wanted to get one. So this is what I bought and this tulip flowers are handmade. I have made it. Yeah, काफी खून पसीना मेहनत से मैंने बनाया है. But yes, so this flower pot is for 179 rupees. And also let me know how are these flowers because I made it. Let me know in the comments if you guys liked it. This product which I have is these two cute little roses. Like you all. So मुझे roses sunflowers का बहुत शौक है and DIY have this amazing collection of all artificial flowers under affordable rates. So if you guys want to have some real good artificial flowers in some real good prices, so you can definitely go and check at their stores. I bought these two flowers and these are for 49 rupees each. Then the next product which we have is these cute little decoration stuff for Christmas. So actually I bought this in the week during the Christmas week only. So they were having a lot of Christmas items which were very pretty and very affordable. So all these are for 90 rupees each. Let me show you what I have got. So these are cute little pine fruit hanging showpieces and as you can see my whole setup, I actually have a lot of stuff. I know you guys will say that you already have so much stuff here on the tree, then why you want some more. So let me tell you कि pine trees मेरे tree पे कहीं पे भी नहीं है, so I really wanted some and I can also use this in my office का desk. मेरे ऑफिस के डेस्क पे मैं मेकओवर्स करती रहती हूँ, सो क्रिसमस के लिए I bought these. Next one I have is this cute little snowman. This cute little snowflake के lace. I feel I waste so much money on cute stuff. My best friend always scolds me on that. That Siddhi, stop it. Don't waste your money on cute stuff. But I don't know. I just like it. The next product which I bought is this DIY hooks. So एक मैंने उसमें से निकाल के यूज के लिए लगा दिया है. Bought this because recently I bought a cute little LED kind of cloud जिस पे मेरा नाम लिखा हुआ था. I'll post a picture here somewhere. So I bought a cute little cloud and उसके लिए उसको hang करने के लिए मुझे hooks चाहिए थे. So that's the reason I bought it. But they are very affordable and very cheap, so that's the reason I have included this in the video. They are for 85 rupees and they come in the pack of 6. The next product which I bought is these two cute beige kind of belts. So I recently saw some videos on YouTube and reels where beige belts really elevate your look and stuff. So that's the reason I bought two for myself and let's see if I can style it up in some really pretty outfit. So these are for 169 rupees each. Then the next product which I have is this beauty blenders. Oh my god, you guys, I am telling you, these are the cheapest, affordable and very very nice to use beauty blenders. Like I have tried Miniso ka beauty blenders as well, but I don't like them because they are really very hard when you try to dab your makeup with it. But these beauty blenders from Mr. DIY are very very nice and you will get these for 155 rupees, so you can really go and buy this because it is damn good. The sponge is very soft and you will feel very light on your skin, so yeah, you can definitely go and try this. Then next up is these two double tapes. So as you can see my setup, I always require tapes and stuff. That's the reason I bought these along with these tapes. So basically I bought this double sided tape and then I bought this washi tapes. So the double sided tape is 30 rupees each and the washi tape is for 119 rupees. So I'll tell you. The washi tapes I bought these tapes is because there were sakura flowers printed on this. Like how cute is that? They are in pink shade, they are in lavender shade, and there are these cute little butterflies. If you can see, interest girlies who are thinking to have a journal and start writing and stuff, you guys can definitely go and buy these washi tapes from there. Then the next product which I bought is these cute little fairy light. It was for my setup and stuff, so this is for 85 rupees. The next product which I bought is these wooden clips. I was instantly sold when I saw these clips. Like they look so pretty and elegant. I have still not figured it out yet कि मैं इसको कहाँ use करने वाली हूँ and how I am going to utilize these. But yeah, they were super cute and in circle shape, and the other one is in rectangle, and both are for 55 rupees. Then the next product which I have is this cute little jewelry organized. These are really nice. Like आपकी सारी jewelry एक अच्छे well maintained box में रहेगी and you really don't have to go and find it here and there. Organizers really make your a drawer look very classy, and it also keeps all the things neat and tidy. So you should definitely buy some organizers for your product. I bought this for 109 rupees. The next thing which I bought is so cute. So these are the cute little socks with cute little prints. Like, can you see the cute little flowers on the socks? Oh my god, they are so pretty. They came in pack of 3. These are cotton socks and they were for 310 rupees. Like they give such a Pinteresty vibe. So yeah, if you also are someone who love flowers and who love cute little detailing kind of stuff on your everyday day to day life ki cheeze, then you can definitely go and buy this one. That I'm going to start journaling in 2025, and getting stickers for your sweet short paras in your journal is really tough. I have searched a lot of online websites where they sell stickers for like 500 and 300 rupees, and I don't feel it worth enough to spend so much money on those. So DIY में मुझे easy सा जुगाड़ मिल गया stickers के लिए, and I was really happy. So I bought these 4 sticker packets. So this is the one book which I bought, and इसमें there are stickers in this kind of shape. If you guys are really into journaling and stuff, you will relate to this, that what I'm talking about. Like ऐसे kind of stickers use होते हैं journaling के books में. And then I bought these very light mermaid kind of theme के stickers because I like all these kind of stuff. And then I bought these cute little teddy जैसे kind of. All these were in the range of 100 rupees each. Then next product which I have is this cute little beige book in which I am going to write down my to-do list or the things which I feel or the ideas which I'll get for the upcoming videos and stuff. And I was finding this so perfect and aesthetic, guys. Just look at it. DIY have some amazing collection of diaries as well, so you guys can go and check that. It is a plain basic kind of diary, but the color and all, I found it very chic, so that's the reason I bought this, and it was for just 65 rupees. So if you guys also are really into diary and stuff, you can go and check this out. Then the last product which we have for this video is this cute little weekly planner. So in this weekly planner, I am going to write all my weekly tasks and stuff, because managing things and scheduling them is really important, and I'm going to focus more on these things in the upcoming year. So yeah, that's the reason I bought this, and it is in my favorite shade, lavender. So I instantly was like, I want this planner. And it has some thing like this. So this is the structure of the pages. It is for 170 rupees. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you have come till here. Until we meet next time, bye bye.